Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. Okay, so in order to do that you need to go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon over here, and on this screen at the top right we have this three dots over here. Just tap on that and just tap on this privacy and safety, and here we have this private account. Okay, so before activating that you just need to read this message because it's important. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Okay guys, so make sure you want to do that, and you just need to tap on this toggle to enable it. Okay guys, so it's now enabled. Okay, so only people you approve can see your videos, okay, from now on. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.